In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a favicon in Hostinger easily. Whether you're building a new website or updating your current one, this step-by-step tutorial will help you add a custom favicon to your Hostinger website quickly and easily. First, go to hostinger.com and log into your account. Once you're on the home page and log in, after logging in, you'll arrive at the hPanel dashboard, which is the main control panel for managing your site. If you're wondering where to find favicon settings in Hostinger, here it is. From the dashboard, navigate to the Home tab and locate your website. Click Edit Website to open the Hostinger Website Builder. This is where you'll customize your website's design, including adding your favicon. In the Website Builder, go to More Settings. This section contains several advanced customization tools to help you personalize your site. Next, click on General Settings. Here you'll find the favicon upload option in Hostinger. Click on favicon to begin the upload process. A favicon, also known as a browser icon or tab icon, is a small image that appears on the browser tab next to your site's title. It adds professionalism, improves user experience, and makes your site easily recognizable. Click Add Image and upload your favicon file. Make sure the image is square and in the correct format, ideally a 16 by 16 or 32 by 32 pixel PNG or ICO file. This ensures it displays correctly across all devices and browsers. Once uploaded, your favicon will be live. If you're using Hostinger's free website builder, this process is just as simple, no coding required. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change favicon in Hostinger and give your website a branded look. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial on how to upload favicon on Hostinger helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.